Okay, so according to my strategy, I have this criteria that I use, which is here. Um, I need to see a liquidity sweep of a high or a low and a market structure shift with displacement and price return to a discounted order block. And then I'll aim for the opposing side of liquidity. So when we look at GBPJPY from our daily time frame, you can see that the asset has been buying to the upside, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we were bullish. Thursday, we are getting some sort of a retracement, but our drawn liquidity is still intact. This high, this all-time high, which I believe price will have to attack again, because after taking this liquidity at the left side here, the buy side liquidity, price had to return to internal range liquidity. And price decided to sweep some lows and then tap into this order block once again. And even this one is an order block before expanding higher. So going down to my 1 hour time frame, I could see that market is already buying. All right, so this is our drawn liquidity here. And I zoomed to my 5 minute time frame. And on my 5 minutes, I had these structural markings, this high and this low. So I was waiting for price to sweep the low, the sell side first, because I'm bullish, and then give me a market structure shift on the 1 minute, which I have already had here. There's this energetic move. All right. This was a high, a low, a higher high. So this was when I started buying, and you can see that all these down close candles makes an order block. And then the 50% of that is here. So I should have ideally allowed price to return into either the mean threshold or below the mean threshold before buying. And when we go to the 5 minute time frame, there is fair value gap that price is filling. So this is a valid order block that is causing the sell right now. That is causing the sell right now. So I want to see us returning to deep discount, and I'm going to buy again because I'm still bullish. All right. So my stop loss is right below here. My stop loss is right below here. So let's see what happens. So I bought here at first, and when price was dropping down, I bought again. And if price decides to drop deeper into discount again, I'm going to buy. And I'm going to have my stop losses right here below the order block. Let me adjust it a bit below the order block. And this is where my setup will be invalidated. All right, so that is it. Let's see what happens. Let me clear the charts. Let me delete this one as well. It failed. Let me leave this change state of delivery. Let me delete that so that my chart will be clean. So using my standard deviation, this was a high, a low. We manipulated these lows, swept the liquidity at the bottom here, and we got that expansion high. So this is our manipulation leg. So from the high, sorry, from the low to the high, from the low to the high here, at least I'll be taking partials around this zone, the -1. And then I'll take the next one here, and I'll allow price to run to the 2.5, which is in line with the buy stops here, right? So I almost missed an entry, but that is fine. See, price has already returned to the order block, respected it, and we are seeing a push to the upside. So I like to see price break this high. This is an external range liquidity, the immediate target, which we can easily sweep. We have a little fair value gap here that makes this a high probability order block. So let's see how price reacts when it gets there. It may drop a bit deeper, and I'm going to buy again. But each time price drops, I'm not increasing my lot size. I rather decrease it because initially I used some big lot size. Initially, I bought 2 here, bought 1 here, and I bought 1 here. So 4. I have 1 lot size more to go. So I'll leave that till price is able to go above this area. Then once we return into the down close candles, which becomes breaker, I'll buy again. Yeah. So let's enjoy some music.
Let's go. All
Let me remove the 5 minutes, CB.
You brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children and to me.
You are reacting off of this fair value gap.
To go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration, you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search this whole world. You'd still be everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter.
If this area gets violated, then it means the 5 minutes CB, another block. most responsible. So maybe we'll be sweeping these lows one more time. But let's see how price reacts when it gets to the mean threshold of the 1 minute order block right here. So that is it. It means that my bias has been wrong. Because if my bias had been right, then it means price should be respecting the bullish PDRs and disrespecting the bearish ones. But it means, as we see now, price seem to be respecting the bearish ones. But let's see how it goes. And one important thing is that we are still within New York Hill Zone time, which is 7 to 10 a.m. So time and price, very important. Let me add that to my strategy. And what I'm saying is that the setup must form within kill zones. All right, so these are the rules that I'm following for my trading. Let me go back to, okay, so we are still around the order block. And I expect that energetic move that will sweep the highs here. But if that fails, I'm gonna be fine. I'm gonna be fine. So this is a fair value gap. We have another block. These 3 consecutive candles becomes an order block. So we are in a sell delivery program right now from here to the downside. And actually, one thing I failed to do was to use my premium and discount to from here within the displacement leg from this low to this high, and I should have allowed price to return deep into the discount before buying. But once price was in premium, I added a position, but that is fine. That is fine with me. That is fine.
Place gold on my finger. You brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children and to me a reason to go on. You're my friend when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from you're my in life's duration. You're always strong when I'm tired and weak. I could search this whole world, you'd still be everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're
Okay, so we are getting that move out of the order block. So we are still on. The trade is still on. Let me check the 15 minutes. Five minutes. 3 minutes. All right. I'm seeing something positive. Positive. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Mhm. It seemed to be consolidating around a bit and don't like it much. Um, I'm most likely to manipulate these lows again. Actually, I'm expecting to sell from here. I've been expecting to sell from here since I don't know when. Yeah, the high, low, higher, high, lower, low. Market structure shifts. Have all these kind of been another block, but you need to I refined it to this area. This last one, a close candle, but I really didn't have confidence in that. So let me see how the buy goes on this. Still trusting. One thing you need to learn how to do is to trust your analysis. All right. Let your stop loss prove you wrong because most of the time, if you keep on changing your bias whilst you are in a trade, you might end up making some silly mistakes. So stick to what you have already analyzed and let market prove you wrong. So that is that. So paper trading, paper trading, I'm long on this asset, GBP for all lot sizes. This is my take profit level, my stop loss level, and PNL yet to be yes to be hit, right? All right, so we are getting that energetic move, and I love it. I want to see us go past. Okay, so we are getting there. So I want to see this being used as an inversion gap to support price once we are above that. Very close to our first take profits, right inside of this bearish order. I mean, fair value gap. If taking external liquidity, we may have to return internal. We have this two down close candles as an order block, which we can pyramid some more buys here. If price returns. So let me set up an order 0.5 lots. All right, so we are still on. We are still on. Good, 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 good. I like that move. Maybe we might return to this fair value gap. We have this down close candles as another block. Swept liquidity led to a break of structure. So this is a valid order block. And from it has a fair value gap as well. So it's a nice order block to buy from. When price drops, I'll execute my last buy here and then I'll leave the rest to run. So after external range liquidity, price returns to internal range liquidity. So it's normal for you to see this retracement happen when price have taken the buy side liquidity here. It's normal. It's normal. So I'm still learning ICT. I'm not an expert yet. So if you watch this video, you are seeing any mistakes, please pardon me. I'm ready for corrections if you care to help a brother. Yeah, great. Why did my music go off? I'm back on.
Praise God.
Time to execute my last buy.
On my fingers,
Drop,
you
drop,
brought
drop,
love
drop, drop, drop.
like I've never known. You gave life
In the chat a bit.
to our children and to me.
Execute,
A
execute,
reason
execute.
to
Drop
go
more,
on.
drop more. I want to see
You're
it come
my
around.
breath
So what is the mean pressure?
when I'm
Drop,
hungry.
drop, drop. Good.
You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope,
I'll be fine if price leaves here to break this side without giving me the last entry.
you're always
I still have opportunity to
when I'm tired.
enter my last trade before we hit our take
I
profit
could
level
search
at the negative 2.5
this
standard
whole
deviation area.
world,
So I'll be fine.
you'd still be everything
We
that
still have
I
time on our
need.
side. We are still within New York
You're my
time zone.
breath
And look at the
when
bottom.
I'm
It's now 9 a.m.
You're my shelter from
9/7.
trouble.
So this
You're my in life's ocean.
down close candle was a 9 a.m.
Most of
candle.
all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble.
Of course, I like my progress so far.
You're my
It's been great.
in life's
Great.
ocean, but most of all, you're my best
I
friend.
need to see price leave this entire zone. This high, these are low hanging fruit. That buy side should be attacked with that higher momentum.
Place gold on my finger.
So this side is
You
also
brought
breaking.
love like I've never known.
If I should return back into the range, I have these two down close candles.
To our children
Like that.
and to me.
And I like to see support price as we go up.
You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend.
So that is my other block. After external range, price returns to internal range. External until you reach our drawn liquidity.
You're always strong when I'm
So I see price dropping deeper.
I could
Don't be affected. Yes.
this whole world.
Our analysis was right, and
You'd still be everything.
bias was right, then price will have to move and
You're my bread.
in our direction. So in an uptrend, what you see is that the down close candles, as Michael said, will be supporting price. All right. So anytime we pass a down close candle and price come back into it, that is if we are still in discount of our dealing range, then price will have to respect the down close candle. So we can see that from here, as price was dropping, the up close candles were being violated. The up close candles were being violated until this time when we had these down close candles being violated by this up move, which changed the direction of the market. So we had a change in state of delivery after price went above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down close candles. So this became a bullish order block, and price kept respecting that. So this was our retracement phase. This was the impulsive leg, a retracement phase. And then we had another impulse breaking the high. So price will have to retrace. We had that one here coming into the down close candles, being supported a very high probability order block because it swept liquidity inside of this bullish order block, led to a break of structure. The highs were violated here. It left an imbalance. Price came to refill. A part of it hit the order block, and we are seeing an expansion. So here we also have these down close candles being violated by this up move, and price would have to retrace back into this zone before maybe we get that big expansion to the upside, right? So if price drops into this zone here, I'm going to buy my last set of order. I'm going to put in my last set of orders and see how price is going to respect it or move, right? So I'm not on a real account. I must admit, this is a demo account, paper trading, and I'm still rehearsing towards finding an account. And then if I find consistency with this trading strategy, then that is what I'm going to use for the rest of my life until maybe some changes begin to set in. The market is still evolving, and sometimes your strategy over time may become archaic. That is when you start seeing some consistent losses over time, over a long period of time. It means that you have to, maybe the algorithm has been altered a bit, so you have to revisit your strategy and see how you redefine yourself and come back strong. Yeah.
I could search this whole world over. You'd still
Take some screenshot.
everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble with. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, You're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my good in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend.
Now let me move my stop loss to break even somewhere here.
You place gold on my
So I have
finger.
these positions secured, about 3 lot sizes
Draw
secured.
love
So the risk is these ones.
like I've never known. You gave life to our children and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread.
So on fundamentals, there was a news release on the New York Times
You're my
that
shelter.
the Bank of England had maintained its interest rate despite the inflation in the country, and that means strength in the GBP or Great British Pound currency. And if GBP is strong, then it means
when I need hope
um,
and inspiration,
the pair
you're always strong
is
when I'm tired.
has appreciated in value. All right. I mean, the currency has appreciated
I
in
could
value,
search
and it means a lot
this
to
whole
the charts. All right. So
you'd still be everything that I need.
I like how we didn't quite touch the
You're
order block, but left this bottom here, which I believe price may come and sweep again
my shelter.
before it taps into the order block proper for that higher expansion. This is an engineered liquidity.
In life's ocean, but most of all,
Let me use my crosshair to see if we really got a
you're
touch.
my bread.
No, we missed it by some pips.
You're
Good
my
eyes.
shelter from trouble.
I like the expansion.
You're my
9:30. Let me see when
in life.
it's our macro time, 9:50 to 10:10. Let me mark that 9:50. Yeah. So this will be our 9:50 macro to 10:10 right here. So this is our macro. 9:50 to 10:10. Macro.
Place gold on my finger. You brought love like I've never known. You gave life
So yeah, kind of consolidating.
to our
high, low.
and
We swept the high, prices returning down.
to go on.
I like to see us sweep this low right inside of this order block. That's this huge fair value gap. We have filled a portion of it. We still have this inversion gap here as well. That is a confluence by FG.
but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope
and inspiration, you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search this whole world over.
you'd still be everything that I need. You're my brain when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend. Lace gold on my finger. You brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration, you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search this whole world over. You'd still be everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend.
Yeah, we're getting a good expansion right now. It looked quite choppy around here, but let's see.
Let's go on my finger. You brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread.
Wow, it's almost an hour of recording. That is fine.
You're my shelter from trouble with. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration, you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search this whole world.
Possibly I could have taken partials here.
Everything
After this one, I
that
put out
I
this side.
need.
And then here I take another partial and add the -1. I take my next partial and then
You're
leave
my
the rest around. So
shelter from
we have this low
trouble.
resistance liquidity and failure zones.
You're my in life's
This one,
solution,
which is good.
but most of all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. When you're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. Let's go on my finger. You brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children.
All right, so this target is already hit.
A reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. When you're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope.
Let me switch to a different asset and check something. Euro.
You're
Okay,
always
right. So I had this recording done already.
when I'm tired, weak.
Uh,
I could search
I had this buy
this
also.
whole
Same strategy. Price took liquidity here. We had a change in state of delivery.
that
And
I
price started respecting bullish order blocks until the news release. There was a high impact news. So this was a news candle, and it went straight to our take profits.
trouble.
straight to our take profit at the negative 2.5 standard deviation, which price couldn't reach on this move. All right. So,
you're my brain.
so actually, I have a sell set up on this asset and it's been activated. Now, this buy stops being run. That market structure shifts as we run below this, and the market retraces right back into the other one. So we're expecting a sell towards this area here, towards this area down here, this Euro GBP. On USD card, nice drop. I was still bearish. And at this fake up move that turtle souped this high, and we saw price dropping lower at this fair value gap and other block being respected.
You brought love
Start the sweep of the high.
like
So
I've never known. You gave life
that was the entry.
to our
Stop loss here. We target some of the lows at the bottom
a reason
right here.
to go on.
This lows equals this low as well.
When I'm hungry,
GBP
you're my
USD.
shelter from trouble. You're
The
my
market structure shifts.
in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration, you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search this whole world. You'd still be everything that I need. You're my brain when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble with. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. You're my brain when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble with. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend.
Yeah, so back to my GBP
Place
JPY trade.
on my finger, you brought love like I've never known. You gave life
What a move.
to our children and to me.
I love this
A
move.
reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration, you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search this whole world over. You'd still be everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble.
Okay, so I may have to end the video here, but I'm pretty certain that price might definitely hit our take profit area. Hit our take profit area. Sorry about that news. So we are heading towards our -2 standard deviation zone and -2.5 perfectly aligns with this high. So I'm pretty sure he will reach that area in no time.
But most of all, you're my best friend. Place go
Close my stop loss. Let me
on my finger.
put it somewhere here.
You brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration, you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search this whole world over. You'd still be everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. Let's go on my finger. You brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children, and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration, you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search this whole world over. You'd still be everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. Let's go on my finger. You brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children, and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration, you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search this whole world over. You'd still be everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend. Lace gold on my finger. You brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration, you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search this whole world. You'd still be everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when you're my in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend.
Wow, so Bryce is in a consolidation right now. I don't really have much time to hold on to this, but we are entering the 9:50 macro, just 1 minute more. It's good that we are seeing a down close candle. Most likely, may manipulate this low, tap this other block, and then we see more expansion to the upside. So let's see what happens within the macro time, and maybe I'll end the video.
Like I've never known. You gave life to our children drink, and to me, a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble with. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration, you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search.
All right, so that's the 950
This whole world
blender.
over, you'd still be everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry.
It's good as we are trading lower because we are bullish. All right. It's good that we are trading lower because we are bullish.
My in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble.
Where may we possibly be going? Let me measure. Use my premium and discount key.
But most of all,
All right, so after we took the side, we went that, and if price may have to drop, then we may have to drop back into discount, and this is the area which price may drop back into. So I like to take some profit off of this zone right here, and when we drop more, I'm going to buy more. All right, so at this time, let me exit my positions. Let me not even wait for price to come back. Good, good, good.
place goes on my finger. You brought love like I've never known.
I like this liquidity here
You gave life
because it's right on top of our
to
discount, share value gap, and other block.
and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread.
We cannot reverse from consolidation, right? So I'm expecting some manipulation. AMD.
Trouble with.
Let's expand,
You're my
then distribute.
in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration,
Let's wait and see what happens on that.
you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search this whole world over. You'd still be everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble when.
So USD JPY is giving us a nice expansion.
In life's so
So
but most of all,
definitely the JPY price must be going up. No surprise that GBP JPY is also buying.
when I'm hungry.
So price returning to this fair value gap, 2 hour fair value gap,
Trouble,
expanding high.
You're my
Please set up actually good 15 minutes, I see.
but most of all,
So no clean setup. Actually, we had these sweeps and price group structure. We expanded higher, price drop deeper. Let me see if we can get an OT entry. Um, so we came right back into discounts, right? And after we are getting that expansion, let me see.
you place gold.
All right, so on the 5 minutes, there is an order block
You
here.
brought
And
love
discount which price
like I've never
trades
known.
into.
You gave life to our children and to me a reason to go on.
Which price we traced into.
You're my breath when
And
I'm
we're seeing that expansion.
You're my shelter.
Took this liquidity here.
Trouble with. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend.
Took the sell stops right here
When
into
I
this premium. Sorry,
an
discount.
inspiration, you're
Order block.
always
And
strong.
you saw that nice expansion. So this could have been an entry. Stop loss right below here
I could
and
search
could
this
go
whole
higher.
world.
And when was that? That was 8:25
That I
a.m. We're still within New York Q zone time, which was perfect.
was
9-4.
for my
That
shelter
entry.
from trouble with. You're my in life's ocean,
I love that.
but most of all,
Okay, so the lows were manipulated back into this other block. We are seeing an expansion.
you're my breath.
I'm cool with the exits. All right. I'm cool with the exits. 950, we start to trade down back into this other
You're
block.
my shelter
That is a fair value gap
trouble
right here. We supported price and we are seeing an up move.
my in life's ocean, but most of all,
I'm not going to enter again. I'm fine.
you're my best friend. Thanks go on my fingers. You brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble with. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration, You're always strong when I'm tired and weak. I could search this whole world over. You'd still be everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. Let's go on my finger. You brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration, you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search this whole world. You'd still be everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. When you're my in life's ocean.
Nice expansion right there during the
You're my bread when I'm hungry.
9:50 to 10:10 mark. We are still within that time zone. We still have this
Trouble.
low resistance liquidity here. We have this price stops at the top, which price is in a hurry to really soon.
Most of all, you're my best friend. Let's go On my finger, you brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children, and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry.
Nice expansion. So this was a manipulation, a consolidation. We are in a buy program, so this consolidation was good. The price have moved for a while, but if price was to trade lower, that was a manipulation. All right, because we cannot reverse from a consolidation. So after a consolidation, there has to be an expansion. There has to be an AMD model in order for a reversal. So an expansion maybe,
when I need hope.
and we cannot also reverse from, we can also retrace from a consolidation. So this move was just a manipulative leg. If it had come down more, but thank God it didn't do much except swept this liquidity here into this order block, expanded, came back to the fair value gap. That was a good entry point.
Everything
In macro time,
you're my bread.
that was a good entry point within macro time towards the buy stop.
You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. Let's go on my fingers. You brought love like I've never known.
And price is going to hit
You
it very
gave
soon.
life to our children, and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration, you're always strong. When I'm tired and weak, I could search this whole world over. You'd still be everything that I need. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my in life's ocean, but most of all, You're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from trouble. You're my anchor in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. Lace gold on my finger. You brought love like I've never known.
All right, so thank you.
You
I'm
gave
exiting right now, or I'm quitting the video.
to our children
Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Thanks for your time.
a reason to go on. You're my bread.